Hello, welcome to the video. In this video I will be showing you how to install PHP on a Windows machine. Okay, you have open Chrome browser here. You can use any browser of your choice. So type PHP, open this php.net link here that appears in first. It's php.net, which is the PHP official website. So you can see 8.3 is released now. Anyway, I'm going to the download section here. Now we can see the current stable version showing us 8.3.12. Go to the Windows download section right below. Now we can see the two sections listed here, which is one is non-thread safe version and thread safe version. So we'll be using the thread safe version for the installation purpose. Click on the zip link to download the thread safe version here. It's around 30 MB. So the download has been started, and we can wait for the download to be completed. Okay, once the download is completed, then go to the downloads folder. Now we can extract the downloaded file to see its actual contents. Okay, yes, now you will get a folder like this. Once the download is completed, we can rename it to a shorter version so that it easily identify this. Okay, let me rename to something like a PHP 8.1.3. okay, now what we can do is to copy this folder and go to the C folder, program files, paste it here. So because this is the C folder, you will need to grant permission. Continue. The copy is completed. We can just have a look at the contents of the folder, which contains many files, DLL files like this, which also includes the PHP executable, php.exe, and or some other files, etc., libraries and so on. Okay, and now what we need to do is add this path of the PHP executable to the system environment, so that we can call the PHP executable from the command line prompt. For that, again open this folder, copy this URL, right click and copy, go to the search environment variables, edit system environment variables, click on environment variables here. Okay, now go to the path section here, then edit, then click new, then paste the URL we have copied earlier. Okay, which is C program files. You can see this. Then OK, click OK, again OK, OK here. Okay, now open the command prompt here, from here. Now type PHP -- version. As you can see, PHP is showing version PHP 8.3, which means PHP is successfully installed in our system. Now we can try this by running a PHP script. Okay, for that let's go to the E drive. Here we can create a test PHP script. Before that, we can change a setting here. Okay, go to the view menu here, show file system, file name extensions, enable this by clicking this. Okay, now create a text file, text document. Okay, now we can change the extension to PHP, which means a PHP file. and can change the name to okay, test.php. okay, like this. Yes, we can open notepad. Okay, so PHP open tag, you can simply echo a string here, hi from PHP. okay, close tag. Now save this. Okay, now from the command prompt we need to go to the E drive. Now PHP test.php. yes, we get the result. The string is echoed here. That means our installation is successful. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like it and share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.